Nobody talks about how embarrassing it is when you make an internet reference to your friends and they don't understand it. Because you can't even explain it to them either without sounding like a psychopath. Like one of my friends went to see the Minecraft movie yesterday, so we were all talking about it. And he mentioned how the movie itself wasn't good, but Jack Black was funny. So then out of nowhere, I blurted out, "Chicken jockey." And I thought that would have made him laugh, but instead, he just looked at me like I had Tourette's. Then everyone in the group was like, "What was that?" So then I was like, "It's a reference from the movie. You don't remember?" Because I thought he would have understood it since he literally just watched it. But he was like, "Oh no, I don't know what that means." It's times like this where I forget that not everyone is as chronically online as me.